When J. Krishnamurti was died, there were no ceremony happen, no ritual, any kind of, and even there were no successor also. What does this represent? The man who stood alone in front of all the religious dogmas, all the spirituality, all the authority, all the philosophy or psychology. The man who have not entertained yourself, the man who told you to stand alone. And what does this mean, to stand alone? It means, J. Krishnamurti said, all one. Don't discriminate. Be one, be holistic. Have an approach in which there is no separate observer or individual. Just watch the life with your wholeness, completeness, with your whole being. So Jiddu Krishnamurti, why I am making this video? I said you, the man who was so much, you can say, serious in his teachings, that even his death, he was alone. He didn't marry. He didn't pass his teachings, make authority out of it, and gather people that teach my philosophy to others. No, he said, just whatever talks I have, just be them there. Don't add anything. Don't put anything. Just let the inquiry happen. Remain where they are, without any modification. So at that day, the man died. And do you know, in his last stroke, he said, he literally said, this is the last stroke. As if he knew his death is coming. And what he told when he was just young being, the same thing he told when he was so old. He told in his young days that truth is pathless, and told the same thing when he began to die during his death. That truth is pathless and you have to walk alone. And he literally, whatever the authority is given to him, he rejected all these things. So he stood completely alone. And what he is telling you, to see things clearly without any kind of bias. He said, see things as they are. Your anger, your anxiety, your depression, stress, the world outside you, inside of you, without the activity of the thought. Because it's you who will solve the problem of yourself. And if you will solve the problem of yourself, then you don't need to solve the problem of the world, because you are the world. You are the whole consciousness. So Jiddu Krishnamurti, the legacy is just all about the silence. He taught silence in our words, because we all want explanation. We are slave to words. But that man even maintained the truth and the silence in his words, in his philosophy. So this man told you, don't depend on any outside source. Just go inside of you. No book can enlighten you. No guru can enlighten you. And truth cannot be organized just a cultless spirituality, or you can say just the cultless teachings, the art of living, which is actually true and right without any selfish act. That's why I make the videos of Jiddu Krishnamurti without any fear, and I don't have to remember anything because I am telling the truth. And this man needs more recognition, at least. At least. The man said, remain with your thoughts. The man said, be with your anxiety, be with your anger. Because you are that. You are not different from the things you are watching. The seer is the seen. And when you do so, there is no duality. It's the duality that creates conflicts. It's the duality. And that man maintained his truth throughout his life, surrounded by the peoples who are actually finding themselves, not making him guru. He don't claim that he is avatar or a world leader. And people try to make him world leader. People try to make him avatar or a soul. But he said, I am just a normal human being. And that's what fascinating about Jiddu Krishnamurti, because he enlightened himself through the man-made efforts. He didn't claim any mystical things or supernatural powers. So this man that told you to walk alone, it's your life, your house is burning, there is an urgency to change, and change yourself right now through the gradual process. No, because your house is burning. You will not pour water drop by drop. No, you have to completely through the water, however much you can, over that fire. Otherwise your house will burn. You have to see the danger of what you are doing, living here, the danger of attachment. And I am here because we all are in a state came through the brutality of education, cruelty of teachings, and I have made a course, not a course which you follow, but this course will make you to see are you on a right path or not, and no one will exploit you. In this course, there are 24 powerful videos: meditation, awareness, present moment, who am I, thought, freedom from thought, silence, learning, teaching. And together, along with 10 guided meditation videos. And as I said, this is not authority. This is the real teaching is what I learned from Jiddu Krishnamurti, Ashtavakra, all the Upanishad. I learned from Nisargadatta Maharaj, Punja Papaji. I learned from Vivekananda Ramakrishna Paramhans, Osho Rajneesh. I learned it from Yuval Noah Harari, Richard Dawkins, and I even meditated. Remained with so many sages, monks, asked question. So you can join this course. I am giving my WhatsApp number 9773529489, and this number is also given in the description. Thank you very much. You can join the course.